Hey guys, are getting the frequent operation detected error on Shein while browsing or trying to place an order on your PC? Don't worry. This usually means Shein thinks that you're doing too many actions too quickly. Let's fix it step by step right now. First, avoid clicking too much or refreshing rapidly. Shein has built-in protection that may temporarily block your activity if it thinks that you're a bot or doing suspicious actions. Just pause for a minute or two before doing anything. If this warning persists, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Head to your browser settings, choose privacy and security, and click clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click clear. This resets your session and gives you a clean slate. Next, try switching to incognito or private browsing mode. This prevents your browser from storing all cookies and often bypass minor login restrictions. If this error still shows up, try using a different browser like Firefox or Edge. In some cases, Shein temporarily limits your account for a few minutes to few hours. If none of them works, wait for about 10 to 30 minutes, then try again. And that's how you fix the frequent operation error on Shein from a computer PC. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment if you have other issues, and subscribe for more Shein fixes.